Hi, my name is Marlies Meisel. I'm an assistant professor at the Department of Immunology here at the University of Pittsburgh. So the Meisel Lab explores how the gut and tissue microbiota orchestrates systemic immunity during homeostasis and extraintestinal diseases such as cancer. One of the key goals of my lab is to develop novel microbial-based approaches to combat cancer. In the first project, we asked the question, how can we leverage the tumor microbiome and thereby improve cancer therapies? So probiotic bacteria are gaining traction as a crucial component in successful immune checkpoint inhibitor therapy or ICI therapy in mice and humans. Yet the underlying mechanisms how gut probiotics orchestrate systemic anti-tumor immunity and modulate ICI therapy outcome remain incompletely understood. The goal of this project is to determine how we can modulate the tumor microbiome at gut distal sites and thereby improve cancer therapies. So what do we know already? From unpublished data generated in my lab, we know that specific gut bacteria translocate to gut distal tumors and fuel anti-tumor immunity and potentiate ICI therapy. In the first aim, we want to assess how does the tumor microbiome impact on tumor immunity at gut distal sites. And in the second aim, we want to address how can we leverage the tumor microbiome to promote the efficacy of ICI therapies. In a second project, we're asking the question, does physical exercise mediate anti-cancer effects via modulating the gut and or the tumor microbiome? Here, we know from studies that there is convincing epidemiological evidence that physical exercise boosts anti-tumor immunity and suppresses tumor growth, but the mechanisms remain completely enigmatic. The goal of this project is to determine whether and how physical exercise mediates anti-cancer effects via modulating the gut and the tumor microbiome. The ultimate goal is to deploy combinatorial therapies to potentiate cancer immune therapy. In the first aim, we want to assess how does exercise shape the gut and tumor microbiome? How do these microbial changes affect systemic tumor immunity, where we in particular focus on gut bacterial translocation to gut distal tumors? And another important question we want to assess is whether does exercise boost anti-tumor immunity and act as an adjuvant to potentiate cancer immune therapy? So my lab is looking for motivated graduate students that are passionate about science and especially passionate about the field of research to study the tumor microbiome and its effect on tumor immunity, and to search for novel treatment options to combat cancer. Check us out on social media and reach out to me if you want to discuss any of those projects in more detail. And I'm happy to hear from you.